Okay, steep hill. God, which way? Well, I know the right side is smooth, and the other one looks like there's a wall. Well, yeah, it's going to be loose, but this is loose too. Oh my God. Ah, I'm coming down. Oh my God. It's so steep. Front brake just cannot stop it. Oh my God. I'm so dizzy. I cannot believe how fucking steep that is.
Looks smooth. Like if you could hit it with momentum, you could berm it.
Okay, momentum, man. Stand on those pegs.
I wish you could get momentum on that rock field approaching the steepness. It's just really hard. Because it's like fucking rocky as shit. I'm going to look at the line a little bit.
He's going to look at the line. Oh, don't look at the line. You're going to suck yourself up.
Yeah, there isn't really any lines. It's just fucking bounce over the rocks.
Left and then right, man. Off! Oh!
Shit, he went off.
He just ate tundra. Hey, why is that rider riding across tundra?
Yeah.
Am I going to be riding bikes up if I get one up? Wow, guys. Okay, I got you back on. You got it, Mr. Tundra. You know there's like some anti like a mile away like videoing you. Cause I was almost to a standstill. Okay, he made it to the switch. Yeah, you're gonna slide a little, Rich. Just keep it going. Oh, he's pretty far. Yeah, keep it going. Keep it going. Keep it going. It's gonna level out. It's gonna level. No. Yeah, because your next brake's a little further where he got. You He's just about to where it kind of flattens out, so you get more momentum for this next section. It's steep.
I know.
Woohoo!
Yeah, I don't know if I'll be able to go. But...
If we can, yeah, that's the most level side. Okay, so
it's just the front's not enough to stop it.
yeah, right.
Jesus. Shit. Is it doing anything?
No,
My tire's not spinning?
I didn't see it spin.
Fuck. I wonder if I burnt my clutch out.
No, it's not doing anything. We're turning now.
Alright.
Okay.
I'm gonna have to go down.
So, seeing as you're leaning to the right, let's swing it. Let's keep the right leaned and turn that facing uphill. No, the other way.
Other way. Oh.
Yes, we'll swing it that way. Okay. I'm back here, it's just sliding, but just slowly. Okay, wiggle the front.
Man, I hope my clutch didn't get burned.
Yeah, I wasn't moving easily.